Hello everyone, welcome to this ArcGIS tutorial. In this video, we will learn about using IDW, kernel density, ISO cluster unsupervised classification, image analysis, and NetCDF. So let's explore in the software now. First, let's add the datasets. Here we can see the cholera date points. We want to determine here where cholera dates are the most. In this case, we will use IDW interpolation. Input the cholera date raster. Select the Z field as count. Now in the environment, set the extent as the map. Set the output, click OK, and now we can see the result. Change the symbology for better understanding. Here red zone indicates the zone with most deaths. Now, if we want to find out which pumps are polluted or related to deaths, we can just use symbology. After changing the symbology of the pumps, we can see that this pump here is situated near the area with most deaths. Now we can use kernel density to do the same. Go to the tool, input the raster, select the count field, set the output. In the environment settings, set the map as processing extent. Select the IDW raster as the snap raster. Click OK, and we can see the area with the highest depth and pumps located near it. Now let's create a new data frame. Bring the .tif file. We will perform ISO cluster unsupervised image classification. Go to the tool, select the .tif file, select number of classes. Clicking OK, we can see the results. Now let's do it again for 4 classes. We can compare both of the results using image analysis. Go to image analysis in Windows, select the upper layer and then click here. Now we can slide up and down to observe the changes. Now let's work with making NetCDF data for getting data of any date. Go to make NetCDF raster layer, input the file with .nc extension, select variable PR, select X, select Y, click OK to see the result. Now if we go to properties and then to NetCDF, we can select a different time and date for observation. Selecting one date or time will show that day's observation at that particular time. So this was all to learn from today's video. So thank you everyone for watching till the end. Hope this tutorial will be useful to you.